Happy birthday, Adam 26. Yeah.
Hey, what?
People.
Huh?
People. Boy. How's the birthday, boy?
Good.
My cake's a little skinny.
I like it.
Your mom and dad called and wished you a happy birthday.
Really?
Yeah. Dad's going to... Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Adam. Happy birthday to you.
What's
your girlfriend's first name? Yay!
Get the fire, get the fire.
Good job.
I only blew on a third of the cake.
The fire's burning. Pete made the fire.